gently lift the other side before you pull this area. That's because there is a small tab attached into the center pillar. This piece has some missing clips. Apply the same procedure to all door sills. The front door sills has 4 clips. The rear door sill has 2 clips. Next thing to remove is the kick panel. The kick panel has one plastic fastener, but unfortunately, it is missing. Once you remove that, you can just simply pull the whole panel away. This is a stud and it is inserted on this hole. The plastic fastener that I'm referring to is similar to this. Same on the other side. It has a missing fastener too. Next thing to remove is the lower center panel. This panel doesn't have any clips at all. Just gently pry the other side and then you can just simply take it away. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.